shapes and space. So in first chapter, shapes and space. Okay, shapes, we see the different types of shapes. Okay, so first in this chapter, first we see point. What is a point? What is a point? This is a point. Okay, this is a point. This is the exact location. Point is a exact location. Okay, this is a point. For example of a point is a pencil tip. See this pencil tip. This is a point. This is the example of the point. So pencil tip is the example of the point. Next we discuss line. So what's a line? How did you draw a line? Just to draw a line. Okay, this is a line. A straight path is a line. A line is a straight path. நேரா ஒரு கோடு போடுறோம். நேரா எதெல்லாம் போகுதோ அதெல்லாமே என்னதான் line தான். A straight path is a line. What's the example of a line? A road. ஒரு road சொல்லலாம். Then a railway track. Have you seen the railway track? So this is the railway track. So this is the example of the railway track. Example of the line. Next we see types of lines. Next we discuss types of a line. First one is a straight line. So what are the types of a line? First one is a straight line. How did you draw? This is the straight line. Okay. First one is the straight line. Spelling for S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T. Straight line. Okay. Then second one is a vertical line. So how did you draw vertical lines like that? This is the vertical line. Okay. The next one we see horizontal line. So how did you draw horizontal line like that? This is the horizontal line. Okay. The next one is a diagonal lines. So how did you draw diagonal lines like that? This is the diagonal line. This is also diagonal lines. So what are the types of a lines? Straight line, vertical line, horizontal line, diagonal line. So four types are there. Straight line means you draw just to draw. ஒரே ஒரு கோடு போட்டா போதும். This is the straight line. Then vertical lines mean like that. This is the vertical line. Okay, this is the vertical lines. இந்த மாதிரி கோடு போடணும். இந்த மாதிரி line போடுறேன். This is the vertical lines. Horizontal lines means this is the horizontal line. இந்த மாதிரி கோடு போடணும். Diagonal lines means like that. இதுதான் diagonal line. This is the diagonal line. This is the types of lines. Next we discuss about the shapes. So four shapes we study. What are the four shapes? Square, rectangle, triangle, circle. These are the four shapes. Okay. So we discuss about shapes. First we see the square. How did you draw square? Like that you have to draw. First we draw the horizontal line, then another vertical line, then here another vertical line, then horizontal line to join all the lines. Okay, this is the square. First you draw the horizontal line, afterwards draw the vertical lines. So join these lines, then after you draw one horizontal line, then vertical lines. This is the square. So these two lines are joined together to get a corners. This is called as corners. This is the corners. So these two lines are joined together. This is the another corners. These two lines are this line and this line joined together. This is a corner. Then this line and these two lines are joined together. So how many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So square has a 4 corners. How many sides? This is the sides. What is this? This is sides. Okay, this is the sides. This is also sides. This is also sides. So these two sides are joined together. This is one corner. These two sides are joined together. This is one corner, another corner. These two sides are joined together, and these two sides are joined together. So how many sides are there? A square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So side is 4. We see corners. Count the corners. How many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So corners are 4. So a square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 sides and 4 corners. Okay. These 4 sides are equal. 4 சைடுமே எப்படி தான் இருக்கும்? ஈக்குவலாக தான் இருக்கும். So these 4 sides are equal. This is the square. What's the example of the square is? The photo frame is the example of the square. Okay. Next we see a rectangle. How did you draw this rectangle? First you draw the horizontal line. This horizontal line you have to join another vertical line. Then join another horizontal line. Then one vertical lines. Okay. This is the rectangle. So here how many sides are there? Here see how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the sides, the flats of this is the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So sides are 4. Then we see the corners. Here these two sides are joined with one point. This is a corner. Okay. These two sides are this side and this side joined with one corner. Then this side and this side joined with another corner, and this side and this side joined with one corner. So we have to count the corners. How many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, listen. Next we see what is the example of the rectangle. See this duster. This is the example of the rectangle. So this is one side. This is another side. This is the third side. This is the fourth one. This is first side. This is second one. This is third side. This is fourth side. The surface is very flat. The surface is flat. Flat irukna அப்படியே நேரா இருக்குறது தான். This is the flat surface. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 sides are there. Corners means these two sides are joined with this point. This is the corners. These two sides are joined with this point. This is the second corner. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. So this is the example of the rectangle. So how many sides are there? 4 sides and 4 corners. These two sides are equal. These two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. இந்த ரெண்டு சைடு உனக்கு ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும். then இந்த ரெண்டு சைடு ஈக்குவல். How to see these two sides are equal. இந்த ரெண்டு எப்படி ஈக்குவலாக லென்த்தியாக இருக்கா, அது மாதிரி இந்த சைடு பாரு இந்த ரெண்டு ஷார்ட்டாக இருக்குது. These two sides are equal. This is the example of the rectangle. Okay, first we see square, then rectangle, then third one triangle. So how did you draw triangle? Here once, what is this? This is the diagonal line. Okay, this is the diagonal line, lays across our body. This is the diagonal line. Then to draw another diagonal line, then to draw the flat. Okay, this is the, what is this? This is the horizontal line. This is the diagonal line. This line is the diagonal line. This is the horizontal line. This is the triangle. So these two diagonal lines are joined together. This point, which this diagonal line. This is one diagonal line. This is another diagonal line. These two diagonals are joined here itself. Okay, this is one corner. This diagonal line and this horizontal line joined here itself. Okay, this is the second corner. Then this horizontal line, this diagonal line is joined here. So what? How many sides are there here? This is 1, 2, 3. So how many sides are there? So 3 sides. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 sides are there. Okay, how many corners are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 corners are there. Okay, this is the triangle. So how many sides? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 corners are there. What's the example of a corner? The example of the corner is a pizza. Pizza, what is the shape of the pizza? Like that. To cut afterwards you see, this is a pizza. This is the example of the corners. Okay, next we see circle. Fourth one we see circle. So we draw circle. So this path is a curved path. This is the curved path. Okay, this is the curved path. So this is the circle. Is there any lines are there? No. So here no lines. The curved path is there. So here no sides, no corners. Any corners are there? No. Here no sides and no corners. Is there any lines not there? No corners are there. So a circle has a no sides and no corners. The circle has a curved path. அப்படி வளைஞ்சு தான் உனக்கு இருக்கும். சரியா? இங்கே lines இருக்காது. So corners இருக்காது. So what are the shapes you have to see? Square. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners are there. This is the, what's the example of the square? A photo frame is the example of the square. Then we see a rectangle. How many how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here itself 4 sides are equal, but rectangle these 2 sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. This opposite sides are equal. So how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Corners 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners are there. Next we see triangle. So one diagonal line, then another diagonal line. Here one horizontal line. These are joined together. So one, how many sides? 1, 2, 3. How many corners? 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the example. What's the example of the triangle? Pizza, samosa is the example of the triangle. For see the circle, what's the circle? So we see the circle here. Curved path is called a circle. Okay, here no sides and no corners. What is the example of a circle? Means clock. What's the shape of the clock? Like that. This is the shape of the clock. 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay. This is the example of the circle. Okay, clock is the, how you see the clock? Clock is the example of the circle. So today class we have to see what's a point. A point is the exact location. What's a line? Line is a straight path. Okay, these are all example of what are the types of lines? Straight line, vertical line, horizontal line, diagonal line. Then next we see the shapes. What are the shapes? Square, rectangle, triangle, circle. Okay, then I have some exercise also. First, have to okay, see this, match the following. I have to draw some shapes. This is square, this is rectangle, this is triangle, this is circle. Have to written some words also. Rectangle, triangle, circle and square. You have to match this. Okay, where is it? Here, this is the square. The square is equal to what's the opposite side? You have to see similar to one. Which one is square? So, the square is like that. Then next, triangle. Here, this is the rectangle. This is a rectangle here itself. Then this is the triangle. This is the circle. So I have to match this. Okay. Then next we see join the dots and make a shapes and make shapes. So I have to join dots and make a shapes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, some dots are given. Okay, how many dots? So many dots are given. So, I have to join this dots and make a shape. Okay, first we create a square. How did you create a square like that? Okay, this is a square. Next we see rectangle. This is square shape, this is a rectangle shape. Next you see triangle. How did you join triangle? You have to join the here like that. Have to make. Okay, this is the triangle. Next you see circle. This is the circle. Okay, we get 4 shapes. So, a square, rectangle, triangle and circle. Okay. So, today class we have to see the shapes. What is it? What's the point? Then what is the line? Then some types of lines we have to see. So, shapes is 4 shapes we have to see. Square, rectangle, then triangle and circles. So, we will meet next class. Thank you students.